rule to make square of any number whose last digit is 5. Okay, then number maybe 15, maybe 25, 35, 45, etc. Okay, easy rule. Here is an easy rule to make square of these type of numbers. Hit the first number 15. I want to make it square. Okay, there is an easy rule. At first make 5 square. 5 square means 25. Okay, and then add 1 with this number. 1 plus 1, that will make 2, and multiply 2 with the previous number. 2 into 1, that is 2, and put here 2. The answer is this one, 225. Now take the number 25 and make it square. First make square of this 5. 5 into 5, that will be 25. And next time add 1 from this with this 2. That will make 3. 3 into 2, that will be 6. Put 6 here. Okay, so the answer is 625. Very simple one. At first make 5 square, that will be 25. Then add 1 with this 2, it will make 2 in plus 1, that will be 3. And then multiply this number with the previous number, that is 2, and you will get 2 into 3, that will be 6. So answer is 625. Now get the number 35 square. It will be same process. 5 into 5, that will be 25. Now 3 plus 1, it will make 4. Now 4 into 3, that will be 12. Now put this number 12 in this place. It will be 1225. Easy one. Now take the number 45. It is also easy. Same process. Okay, at first you will get the square. 5 square, 5 into 5, it will make 25. And then 4 plus 1, that will be 5. And then 5 into 4, this previous number. 5 into 4 is 20, and put 20 here. The answer is this one. So in every case, in each and every case, the rule is the last 2 digit will be 25 in every case. Okay, and the first number will be the multiplication of the first number, and by adding 1 with this number, and then multiply this 2 number, that is 2 plus 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. In this case 3 plus 1, 4. 4 into 3, 12. Here it is 12. In the next case 4, that is 4 plus 1, that will be 5. Then 5 into the previous 4. 4 into 5, 20. Answer 20, 25. Easy one. In this same process you may be able to do any numbers whose last digit is 5. It may be 3 digit numbers. Okay, let's take 115. This one's whole square. In the same way, at first 5 into 5, you will get 25. Here it will be 25. Okay, then by adding 1 with this number 11, then you will get 11 plus 1, that will be 12. Then 12 into 11. Okay, 12 into 11, it will make 132. Okay, so the answer is 13225. 13225. 13225. Okay, same way. At first, here 5 square, that will be 25. Then here it is 11. We have added 1 with 11. This will make 12. And then 12 will be multiplied by 11, the previous number. 12 into 11, that will be 132. So the answer is 13225. Okay, this portion is from 5, and this number is from 11 into 12. In each and every case, there is 3 into 4, that is 12. 2 into 3, that will be 6. Okay, in this case 3 into 4, 12. In this case 4 into 5, 20, etc. Hope you have understood this. If you feel any problem, please feel free to comment here. Okay, thank you for watching it.